You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back sa isang Dwantro Vlog starring mga people. Sino ka ba?
Bebe.
At Bibe! Hey! We are back again today. And we are going to feed Nitro his very first spoonful of food. So sabi ni Doktora na we need to mash up some carrot, diba? Steamed carrot, and then mash up the carrot para kakainin
Pwede
ni
broccoli.
Nitro.
May list kami ng food na pwede niyang i-try.
Yes, so
Oh my
carrot
gosh,
is one
I'm
of them.
scared.
So this is gonna be it. Nitro, diba you tasted a banana in our other video? Ngayon naman, you're gonna have a proper mouthful. Okay, you're gonna eat it. You're gonna swallow it. Ito na, Nitro, ha? I wanna see your reaction, baby boy. Yes, here we go. Ready? Ooh, what's that? What's that? Oh no, don't touch it. You eat it. Eat it. Yeah, that's it. Eat it. Come on, you can do it. Eat it. Come on. Come on. Eat it. That's it. Eat. Eat. He's looking at us like, what is that? What did you give me? Come on, eat it. Oh, he's sticking his tongue out. Ayaw mo ba? Ayaw mo ba, baby?
No, it's still there.
Ayaw mo?
Are you sure this is mashed? No?
Yes, you mashed it. Okay, ready? Ready? Come on, you can do it. You can do it.
He's just pushing his lips.
Open it now. Bukang bibig. Yay! That's it, yeah. Ooh, did he swallow it? I think he swallowed it.
No, that's a lot. That's a lot.
Did you get it? Did you get it? Is that weird? Huh? That's weird, isn't it? Yeah, that's not.
Ooh.
Is he right?
No, it's fine. With vitamins, it's like that as well.
Oh, see. Was it that bad? Was it that bad? He threw up everywhere. Ang baho ng suka. Ayaw mo pala ng carrot, no, baby? No, it's not very masarap. No. It's nakakadiri ang carrot, ano. Oh, Nitro? Sino yun? Sino yung batang yan? Ha? Sino yung batang yan? Ikaw yun? Oh, ikaw yun, di ba? Yes, ikaw yun. Oh. Round 2 na tayo. Mami Shanta has may mashed up carrot na may kasamang breast milk. Ayan, sana all may breast milk. Ayan, baby, ready? Ito na. Baby Nitro, ito na. Here we go. No, don't grab it. Don't grab it. Don't grab it.
Sitting properly.
Eat.
Oh, he doesn't like
Eat.
it.
Eat. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it. It's like, it's
Your
like, oh,
hands on
yuck,
his
what is
tummy.
that? Hang on, here, we'll sit him up.
Oh, sitting properly.
Here we go, ready?
Oh, that's breast milk, baby. That's
Yeah.
mommy's breast milk.
You don't like it, do ya? Come on, you can do it.
You like it eventually. Eventually.
Baby, what's wrong? Kaya mo yan. Sige na. Kaya mo, baby. Kaya mo yan, baby. Oh. Oh. Yay, he did it. Oh, wait. Did you swallow it? Did you swallow it? Do we have to feed him more, or is that enough?
Yeah, it's like 10 spoonfuls.
Oh my gosh. Ilang spoonfuls pa lang yun? 2?
Muray pa. Sakto lang nga.
Get it. Eat it. He doesn't like it. He hates it. He hates it.
Yum yum. Yum yum. Yum yum.
He's like, save me, Daddy. Ayoko na. Ayoko na. He's kicking. He's kicking. Are you
Oh,
kicking,
there
baby?
you go.
Oh, he ate it.
There you go.
Yucky, isn't it?
Go.
Oh, it's so yucky, baby. Yeah.
There you go.
You don't
It's
like the
good
carrot
for
with the
you.
breast
It's good
milk.
for you.
Oh, nah. Oh. He doesn't want to eat it.
He's learning.
I think he's done. I think he's
No,
done.
he's learning.
You know, I think, yeah, we might try pear. Kasi mas masarap natin yung pear kaysa sa carrot. At saka Cerelac, no? Cerelac. Pero hindi tayo sponsored ng Cerelac, ha?
Wait. I'll just give him the coin.
Okay, just the milky pot. Yummy ba? Is that yummy, baby? No? Medyo? Hindi mo alam. Hindi mo alam kung yummy or hindi, no? Baby Nitro, how's that? How was the carrot, baby? Huh? Hey, did you like the carrot, baby? Did you like the carrot? Was it yummy? Yeah? Was the carrot yummy? Or was it yucky? Which one? I think you're just happy na tapos na ano. Yes. Tapos na. Ah, ganun ba? Sige. Ah, talaga?
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
I think he's drinking air.
There you go. There you go. Yeah, drink. Drink it. Drink
That's
it.
mommy's breast milk. Di ka na nakilala.
Come on. He's not drinking it. He's just chewing on it. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Oop. Yeah, hold it like that. Yep, and the other end like that. Yeah, that's it. That's
He
it.
thinks it's a toy.
Yeah, he thinks it's a toy. You think it's a toy, don't you? You can drink out of it. Yes, you can drink out of it. See?
Huwag ba yung glass ito, ha? Bangin mo ko, ano. Bakit?
Like that, yeah. Like
Pati na
that.
nabuligi
That's it.
pagkapot.
That's it. Good boy. Oh. 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 Oh, there you go, baby. How you doing it? Drinking from the bottle?
Or no,
Very good. Very good, baby.
na ginawa.
Yes, you can feed yourself now.
Higher like
Very
this.
good. Yeah, you're doing it. You're doing it. Galing na. Galing ng baby. Alright, Dwantro Fam, maraming salamat po sa panonood sa video na to. Now, before we finish today, eto po ang mga Certified Dwantro Fam natin. Ayan, mga pangalan nila. Maraming salamat po. Dumadami na. Thank you so much for joining. Certified Dwantro Fams get custom emojis and their name displayed on the screen sa katapusan ng lahat ng mga video namin. And also, let's give a shout out to our Golden Dwantro Fams. Meron din silang mga YouTube channels. So subscribe nyo po sa kanilang mga YouTube. Our newest Golden Dwantro Fam member is Da Ramis. Da Ramis, thank you so much po. Christina Arsenio Dunsmuir. Cocina ni Monica. Tai Chi's Adventures. Paul T. Nati Von Tien. Tosca Acorda. And Jocelyn Natividad. Alright, check out their YouTube channels. Links are in the description below. Okay, Dwantro Fam, thanks so much for watching. Kita-kita po sa sunod na video natin dito sa ating YouTube channel at saka Facebook page. Ayun. Alright guys, bye for now.
I'll be closer than your shadows, closer than you know. If you let
Hey guys, my name is Dwaine Woolley and we are in the
process of creating the Philippines' first mythological adventure board game, kind of like a Dungeons and Dragons but for the Philippines. So in the game you'll find encanto such as the Kapre, Tikbalang, and even the moon-eating dragon Bakunawa. You'll play as one of 4 ancient Filipino bayani from alamat such as Malakas and Maganda, or Maria Makiling, or even Lapu-Lapu. Your quest as a bayani is to venture through the enchanted forests of Samar and find the legendary city, Biringan City. Along the way, you'll encounter some encanto that you have to defeat. You'll also find treasure chests and legendary chests, and the encanto will pick up their own encanto cards to give them benefits throughout the game. Pero kailangan po namin ang inyong tulong dahil sobrang mahal pala gumawa ng board game, as in. So guys, if you are a fan of fantasy or Dungeons and Dragons or anything Filipino mythology, consider donating to our Kickstarter so we can make this dream come to life. Maraming salamat po!